Hi lovelies, welcome once again to OA Styles. Today guys, I brought hairstyles for you between Selena Gomez and Hailey Bieber. So guys, please, if you're here for the first time, make sure you click on the subscribe button, smash the like button also, and make sure you turn on the bell notification for more amazing styles. Please feel free to comment the kind of style you want. Comment down below in the comment section. Also make sure you watch the full video, then you can go back and watch my previous video. Please enjoy the video, and please also make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel named Nefe Tips. That channel is all about skincare, how you can glow your skin naturally. Have so many great amazing videos there. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video, don't just watch half and go. And as for the bell notification, make sure you click on the bell notification for more styles. When you click on the bell notification, you will get notified when I upload new videos. But when you don't click on it, you will not be notified when I upload new videos. So please make sure you click it. I will see you on my next video. Bye.